out, strutting all around. Come on, check me out. I'm pecking on the ground. Gangly noodle hangy thing, throwing off my face. I'm looking good, only things you say is blue, blue, blue. My big brother Jake, he always was a smarty. He said when November ends, we're going to a party. Going to a party, I'll be the guest of honor, where they will present to me a red pop-up thermometer. I had a little dream, all the good china, you know, like cranberries. Any more corn? I ate too much, I'm feeling stuffed. I am a turkey bird, I live a turkey life. I got me 13 turkey kids, little turkey.